Well, what am I doing today? Today I'm putting together a seating bench for my den. Yeah, and it has a little cushion that goes on top of it. And then it has little cubies underneath to store stuff in.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
There's the cushion. So I'm putting it together on top of this cardboard because I'm on my nephew's wood floor. Thank you, nephew, for letting me use your living room. It shouldn't take too long. It's pretty cut and dry. All I need is a hammer, a Phillips, and a flathead. That's what it says. Look at this. Look at how easy this is. I mean, they tell you what all the parts are. You gotta make sure you have enough, but look at, they're all labeled in individual little pouches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I make sure that the right number's in there. And make sure I have all the right pieces. And this is from Walmart, actually. I ordered this online from Walmart. And I'll show you a full picture of it. Couldn't be any easier. Oh yeah, the TV's on. I guess I'll have to just mute that. Each one is labeled and just goes in the doles just go in the little holes. Really easy. Well, almost done. Just got to put the bottom piece on and then the back panel. Okay, there it is. All done. I have to get a new basket for the middle because that one that I have is too small. And I already had the 2 black ones for the sides. So I need to get a red one to go in the middle. Both seat covers are on. Passenger seat came in today, so the passenger seat is on. And my WCKG beanie hat on there. And the driver's seat is on. The seats are on. So happy. Both leather seats are on. Well, still a lot more to do, but so far, my den is coming along just fine. Gonna take a little break, celebrate my grandson Rocco's birthday, and my daughter-in-law made homemade pasta noodles and homemade meatballs. Raisin meatballs and regular meatballs. Yum, yum. So good. I'm so hungry. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.